Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we are doing a daily dash because it's been a while. And for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Markley. We do something called the daily dash every once in a while. I just need to get out of my house and go do a couple Doordashes and just clear my mind, because there's no better way, in my mind, than to go out and make some extra money real quick and drive around, just get outside. Because as someone who works from the computer all day long, it is really hard to stay motivated when you're sitting in front of your computer all day long. So every once in a while we do this thing called daily dash. We get outside and drive around and do one or two Doordash orders, because Doordash is basically how I funded all my businesses and stuff. So it's fun to just revisit it. Right now we are doing a $4 order for Mr. Diego for 2 miles. Not good, but it is what it is. I was bored and I was like, I just wanted to drive around. So the fact that we're getting paid $4, whatever. Anyways, so today is a very sad video. My chickens have all been murdered. All of them. Every single one of the 9 chickens. And try not to start crying, but those are my buddies. A lot of people think, like, do you just eat your chickens? No, like, chickens are very cute and friendly, and they have little personalities, and they just kind of, I didn't like them at first, to be quite frank. Like, I really did not want chickens, but my ex really wanted chickens, so then I got stuck with the chickens. And now all the chickens are, they're dead. Unless they flew away, but something tells me they didn't fly away. Anyways, over this past week, I haven't been really making any videos on YouTube. I've been kind of just doing like the tip stuff and sticking to the fitness stuff, because I'm also just in a weird, like, this week has been really weird. 1, my Facebook got hacked. 2, all my chickens were murdered, probably by a coyote, but I have no idea, because I literally, I don't know what, like, I thought that I made the chicken coop coyote proof, and then honestly, I'm starting to wonder if a human being jacked my chickens, because it doesn't make any sense how they were taken out of the chicken. Like, no sign of struggle. No tracks or anything. No, like, it doesn't look like there was a coyote in there. The gate wasn't even open, so I don't know how, unless he just squeezed through it. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Anyways, chickens all gone. They disappeared one day at a time for 5 days. And I even sat outside and tried to hunt down the coyote one night. And of course, that was the one night where nothing happened. Or it might be a freaking a crackhead. I don't know. Because I just, like, as someone who lives in kind of like, I don't really live in a suburb area. I live kind of like in the middle of nowhere. Next to me, there's like this huge, giant, like, mile square block where there's it's like tent city over there. There's like literally these like crevices in the ground that are super deep holes, and there's freaking homeless people everywhere. And I'm like, this has been here this whole time? Like, how have I not known? So anyways, I don't know how my chickens were murdered. How, like, I don't even, like, it doesn't make any sense to me, but they all disappeared, and honestly, I did my absolute best to keep them alive, and they lived about almost 3 years, so it's not bad for the life of a chicken. I believe the average age is probably 3 to 5 anyways. But yeah, this is the end of the chicken chapter. So anyways, I'll be right back. Gotta drop off this order. It's like right here somewhere. Alright, be right back. Alright, we're back. $4 richer, baby. Anyways, weird week. Anyways, we got my freaking Facebook hacked. My chickens were all murdered. My views don't even crack like 200 anymore. It's so weird. Well, one of them randomly got like 1,500 the other day. But my videos used to get over 1,000 views in 1 hour. About a year ago, I would crack 1,000 views in an hour. And there was this mysterious time around 6 months ago where they plummeted crazy down. It's almost like the algorithm didn't like me anymore. or my YouTube audience just hates me now. I don't know what it is, but we don't even crack two, like, okay, sometimes we usually don't even crack 200 views, so I'm like, okay, obviously something's going on. It's a little fishy, but for now, I'm gonna be making more videos about fitness and stuff because I personally just enjoy that. I think that's what if I was to like say I was a specialist in one thing, I would say it's definitely fitness. As a professional athlete for over 13 years, personal trainer and everything, I feel like if I was to be giving tips to people moving forward, because I'm moving away from this like side hustle kind of stuff, I think fitness is where it's at. My new roommate is at my house. She's calling me right now. Alright, cool. Yeah, my new roommate's moving from, she was in Colorado, I believe. Anyways, I'm not really going to see her much because I'm leaving in 3 weeks to go to Chicago. If you guys are in the Chicago, actually it's more like Kenosha. Like, it's a town called Gurnee, Illinois. So, we're doing a show at Six Flags out there all summer. I haven't really been to this area before. I know I've driven through this area, but I've never been to it before. So if you guys are in that area, you want to see me perform, let me know. Come see the show. Then we got Tampa Bay Busch Gardens again after that. And potentially a few other parks, but that's the only one that's confirmed so far. And I like Florida. I like Florida a lot, so I might spend my time in Florida again. I'm not sure, but at least my cat's still here. I don't know. All I think about is the chickens. Such a bummer, man. But chickens are so goddamn dumb. They're such a dumb animal. Okay, put it this way. On the fourth night, the night before the fourth chicken was killed, like the last final one, I sat outside, or I waited by my window. I had my window open all night, so if anything happened, I would hear it, you know? And in the middle of the night, I just hear squawking like, like, that's my best chicken noise. And I'm like, I literally jump out of bed, sprint out the door naked, and she's just sitting there, fucking for no reason, just making all this noise. And I'm just like, you are so dumb. You're literally just calling the predators. Like, why is this a thing that chickens do? Is just make random noises. I don't know. It's so dumb. They're literally like the ultimate prey animal. And they're like, they don't even know how to hydrate themselves. Like, chickens forget to drink water. Like, I have to like force these things to drink water during the summer because it gets so hot. And chickens can only survive in 105 degree weather unless you like do other things. Like for me was, oh, we got a $13.50 order. Let's do it. So for me, this makes sense because we're driving that way to go home anyways, and it's just barely past my house. But anyways, chickens are just such a dumb species. I'm like, whatever. I can't be too disappointed about it. Like, it wasn't my cat. You know, if it was my cat's a whole different story. I will be crying for like days when my cat dies. But the chickens are like, they're just chickens. Plus there was 9 of them. It's not just one like my cat. There was 9 chickens. So, and I think out of all 9 of those, I only would say like 2 or 3 of them were like actually like my friends. The other ones just wanted food. Like 2 or 3 of them were actually like, they'd hang out with me and stuff. And when those ones died, I was just like, it is what it is. Rest in peace, Gainer. Anyways, so let's go pick up this order. Sad day. I'm gonna have a chicken funeral though at my house. By the way, By the way, I just started using this new, because YouTube has basically been totally effing me lately. I'm working with this app called FUD. So if you guys want to download it, I will put a link in the description down below. FUD is basically like a side hustle app where it's basically people like me. It's focused on people like me, giving tips and tricks and how, like, if you really want to advance yourself as a human being, it's a good place to be. I've actually been like looking through it recently. Like, it's a good, it's kind of like informational YouTube in my opinion. But there's all kinds of different creators on here, and they're just giving tips and stuff. Not just anyone can be a creator, I don't believe. I think you have to be like a certain like kind of expert in your field. So it's just a good little source of information. But anyways, I did a live stream on there today. Not gonna lie, kind of sucked because all I could think about was my freaking chickens being killed by a coyote. So I was a little scatterbrained. But if you guys want to check out the app, you should download it. I'll be doing more videos and stuff on there in the future. Definitely a cool app though, so check it out down below. Anyways, let's pick up this order. Alright guys, let me know in the comments down below, which sunglasses look better on me? The Ray-Bans, number 1, or the Michael Kors Aviators? Which one looks better? Comments down below. Ray-Bans or Aviators? This is not Aviators, by the way. This is the Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans. Black or the gold? Which one down below? I just bought these, so hopefully you guys say the Aviators, but I don't know. These are such a good, these Ray-Bans are such a classic good look, so I don't know. It's hard to beat those ones, but anyways, these ones are nice and big and really keep the sun out of my face. Cool. Be right back. Let's pick up this fucking Vietnamese kitchen. Fucking, like, I'm not saying the F word. I'm saying fucking Vietnamese kitchen. That's a funny name. That's actually fucking hilarious. The fucking... I didn't even realize that when I took this order. It's fucking Vietnamese food. YouTube is going to censor me for sure, but I'm just kidding. Anyways, this dude is staring at me like, what the hell is that guy doing with this giant camera on his dash? And anyways, be right back. Alright, got the order. $13.50, here we come, baby. Anyways, alright. Gonna drive, 8 miles, but basically 8 miles back home. This is the EOS gym. Where are we? EOS, blurry EOS gym that I used to work out at every day until the UFC gym opened up, and then I was like, damn, UFC, we gotta go to the UFC gym. Anyways, be right back. I gotta drive, be responsible. Because that's what I do, is be responsible. By the way, fucking smells great right now. I'm like, man, I gotta get some fucking. Oh, I'm gonna live this one. Alright, a little bright, because we're driving straight into the sunset. Question of the day, because I haven't done these in a while. The question to the day to the audience is, what if you can imagine a perfect, like your dream scenario in 5 years, where you want to be? Because hopefully, whether you're a Doordash driver and you're just driving around right now, hopefully that's probably not your goal in 5 years. Where do you want to be? Maybe you're a personal trainer, you're just getting started. Where do you want to be in 5 years from now? For me, I was thinking about this morning. I was like, man, the one thing I think would be the coolest is if I had a cool office, because I gotta be honest, like working from home is just kind of like depressing sometimes. It's good because I'm like locked in there by myself, and I like, obviously now that Facebook's gone, I don't just look on Facebook at all. Like, that's just not an option for me anymore. So it's basically, I don't know, it's just been like, I feel like in a few years I want to have an office and just have a few employees working in that office with me and create like a really cool work environment. Like, to me, I want to create like the ultimate office space. Maybe it has like a gym and stuff, and just like a cool place where people would want to work and where people can grow together. And like, for me, anytime I'm teaching someone, if I'm hiring someone for a position, I always try to like teach them everything that they can possibly learn. So that way, at the end of this job, because everyone I hired is an independent contractor, I want them to like leave with some sort of valuable information that they can go and better themselves with. So that's my goal, is to like have like a, I don't know, like I just want like a cool, I think, how nerdy does that sound, that I just want an office? Like that's like my goal, with a gym in it, of course. That'd be cool. But anyway, alright. We got about 1 more mile to drive, and we're driving right by my house, and we're stopping. That is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching the Daily Dash. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button so YouTube will start to show my video to more people. And yeah, smash the like button for the chickens if you guys like the chickens. Rest in peace, chickens. We'll see you in the next life. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.